Hello, this is today's Tàijíquán Tip here at Someday Farm, and I'm Stephen Watson. Thank you for joining. Today's tip is about zhongding, often translated as central equilibrium. The three words that I use to kind of help recognize where it is and where it isn't and how to recover it are centered, settled, and stable. Centered, settled, and stable. And so what I'd invite you to do is go through your practice, and whenever you feel that you are less than fully present, so mind wandering, thinking ahead, literally leaning forward, leaning back, carrying tension from the move you're about to be challenged by, or whatever, take a physical pause in the form at the next opportunity. So you might not want to pause here. You might want to pause when your feet are both on the ground or when your feet are together or something. Take a physical pause and use that recipe: centered, settled, stable, as an opportunity to recover the poise, the equilibrium of this state that we want to act from in Tai Chi Chuan, and then do the next movement. So we can use centered, settled, and stable to help us determine when we aren't any of those things or we're losing them to some degree. And then when I notice that, I use the next available opportunity to physically pause, not as a punishment, but as an opportunity to use the return to zhongding as a place to recover the ability to have a place from which to act on my next Tai Chi Chuan move. So keep at that. There's myriad opportunities in any Tai Chi Chuan practice to do that, so I know you're going to find them. Now, go out there and share news about this art with people that need to know about it. Let's grow our members.
Thank you very much for the tips. They really helped me stay in business and stay alive. This last one, I'll show you ways to get in touch with me on my link tree. So appreciate all the support and shares. Thank you.